Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharae Simone back with another video. I'm back with another video. I keep doing the whoa, like whoa. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And listen, some off the rip. No, hold on, off the rip. What vibes I'm giving you? Okay, this is how I'm coming to this table on Thanksgiving. Okay, a bad bougie bitch, period. All right, this is how I'm coming to the table on Thanksgiving. This is a Thanksgiving tutorial, okay? It's a calm look with a bold lip. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with a bold lip and a calm face and a natural beat. You can't. So, without further ado, if you want to get this face and these luscious lips, keep watching. So, brows is on. You already know what's about to happen. My Angel Vow NYX primer. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know these steps by now. I know y'all do. Put some setting powder on her face because this is a new step in the tutorial, and it's, you know, new step that I've been doing, putting setting powder on my face while I do my shadow. So this is the Black Radiance Banana powder. Is what I like to call it. So we're gonna do a soft glam with a pop of a red lip today because I never do red lip. I always stick to nude. So today's gonna be a day. So our face is gonna be soft, but our lips are gonna be bold. So let's get this tutorial started. Okay, I'm going in with my Morphe palette 35M. Okay. And I'm going to go in with this brown shade off the bat because we are doing a soft glam look and I want to do shadow. So we're going to go in with this brown in our 35M palette, and we're going to take a nice fluffy brush that I already had used for the brown already. So you already know, type out the accents if you have to. I'm just going to like lightly put the brown in my upper crease, but I'm not going to go so harsh. Next, I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to go in with a lighter brown, which is the brown above from that darker brown. Y'all know what's next. My new fave, the Juvia's Place foundation, and this is in Burkina and 310 if I'm not pronouncing it right. I'm just going to take Burkina, and how I like to prime my face, I like to do my foundation. A little goes a long way. I'm just going to smudge that. A little goes a long way with this foundation, so you don't really need a lot. I'm going to take my Expert face brush. too crazy, it's just nice and soft because like I said, we're gonna have a bold lip. So let's conceal. Y'all know I'm back with the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in 12. As y'all know, I do not bake my face because I don't like the white cast, but I do like to put setting powder on my nose. Put that in right here on my roll. Just gonna set that, and that's it. Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And I'm gonna take this sculpting color and I'm going to put that with a medium fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna dab it in everywhere I highlighted on my face. Now I'm going to contour with this shadow brush. I feel like it's better that I contour with a smaller brush. I'm going to contour my nose with this, with the contour color, which is a darker color in a Black Radiance medium to dark palette. And I'm just going to lightly contour my nose. It's gone. Okay, so now that my nose is contoured, I'm going to take a smaller brush today to contour my cheeks because I feel like the bigger the brush, the more it just spreads out. So I'm going to take my H&M, it's not even pretty on here anymore. I'm going to take my double-sided H&M brush and I'm just going to contour my cheeks with the powder. I do not cream. I'm too oily to cream. So just going to take this powder. The lashes is on, the liner is on. I want to highlight my face before we move into the lips, and I'm going to do that with my Palm Beach Ready Wet n Wild bronzer. And it looks so busted, but it's okay. So I'm just going to put it. show y'all. This is the part that I wanted to, this is what I couldn't wait to get to, okay? Okay. So we got two. We got the CoverGirls and we got the Wet n Wild cat suit, liquid cat suit. This dry in a matte, and I'm not sure if this is a matte, but it say cream. So let's see how this go hand in hand. We're going to use these two, plus we're going to use our NYX suede lip liners. Our lips lined up. Let's start with the cream red lipstick, and this is by CoverGirl, and I'm gonna give you the color. It's called Hot 305. So let's do it. It smells good. It is creamy. It's very creamy. So that was the CoverGirl 305 Hot Cream Lipstick. And we're gonna try this is called 930B Missy and Fierce in the liquid cat suit lipstick, that dry matte. So let's see how this goes. Now this is a brighter red. Let's see how the two combine. Good on my lips. I love the combination. Tell me what y'all think about this look. Let me know, do y'all approve? Oh, look my watch. Let me know, do y'all approve of this look, if it's a hit or a miss with the red lipstick. Like, ladies, if your lips is big, you still can rock red lipstick. Don't let nothing stop you. All 2019. All 2019 is almost over, but you know what I mean. It's the holidays. You can wear a red lip if you want to. Period. But yes, I'm feeling this. This got me. Let me curl my hair a little bit. Let me just curl my hair a little bit more. I'll be right back. And this is the final result. And this is how I'm coming at your table with Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to notify you when I upload. And make sure y'all subscribe. Seriously. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to watch Sharae YouTube video for the Thanksgiving look, because I'm serving looks. Everybody gotta wear a red lip this year. Period. Everybody gotta wear a red lip this year. I'm not playing. Okay? Make sure y'all get your red lipstick. Again, I got the Wet n Wild cat suit. This is a matte lipstick. And I got the CoverGirl 305